Hello everyone, welcome back. As of now, I'm planning to go to Anjuna, Vigator, and Arambol. So I'm I'll be going via Kalangut. Ouch! And it's super hot right now.
Red face flame by the light. I'm going away. Gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day. Must be
We are crossing a bridge. I don't know which one it is.
somewhere. Welcome me into the fold. Blooming flowers, as much as I can hold. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. I'm gone away. And the sun gonna shine on a brand new day for me. A brand new day for love. Brand new day for me. Brand new day.
Actually, I came for lunch. I was looking for a place named Burger Factory. So it's in Morjim, near the beach, and I think there is no direct way. So I had parked my bike over there and walking. It's almost little close to a kilometer. It was a weekend and there was a lot of waiting. I almost had to wait 1 hour to get my burger, but it was well worth the wait. Burger was super yummy. No. The initial plan was to cover Anjuna, Morjim, then Vegator, and then
Arambol, but because of the heat, I couldn't continue. So I headed back to the hostel and then took some rest over there. And then I headed out in the evening to Kalangut Beach to explore. That's how I wrapped up my day. Hope you have liked the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. To watch more such content, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.